Welcome to VenQ, the wedding planning app specific to your venue and the amenity you'll use all year. Once you've logged into the app, you'll see your event under Upcoming Events. Select your event. Once you are in your event, you will have access to all the app features. To get started, select Vendor Book by tapping the shaking hands icon at the bottom center of the screen. Vendor Book lists all the vendor categories for your big day. Let's start with catering. The Vendor Book allows you to scroll through the vendors that work best at your venue and are highly recommended by your venue team. You can read a short blurb about their business, and if you like what you see, tap Full Profile. In this section, you will be able to call, visit their website, or social media accounts. You can even view photos of their work and read reviews from previous clients. If you like what you see, click Add to Favorites. You can repeat this process for every category, and the vendors that you choose to add to your favorites will be under your vendor tab. Let's go through your features. Timelines and floor plans. Once your venue or your planner has entered your timeline information, it will be accessible by any vendor hired by you in the VenQ app. Your venue can also add your fiance, mother, best friend, or anyone else who would benefit from having access to event details. When you tap the Vendor tab, you will see all of the vendors you have selected from Vendor Book. If you have contacted a vendor and have moved forward with a contract, mark that vendor as awarded. Once you have marked the vendor as awarded, that vendor will receive an email confirming that you are moving forward with their service. Only award a job if you are sure, because this action cannot be undone through the app. If you would like to remove a vendor who has not been awarded a job from your favorites, you can do so by clicking Remove in their profile. Anyone with access to your event can add a note and choose who can view that note. Let's say, met with florist at venue, Megan approved suspending floral rings from the loft railing. You would want this note accessible by everyone. You as the client, your florist, and the venue team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Supportcast is one of our favorite features. This is your event day team with job title and headshot. Now everyone knows who everyone is and their event purpose. With the guest feature, you can enter each guest who's been sent an invite, so you can track RSVPs on the go. Now go ahead and get started. Happy planning!